Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset default settings on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon that gives you access to all of Brave's settings and features. Click on these three lines and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the main configuration area where you can manage everything from your privacy preferences to your browsing data. Once you're inside the settings panel, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical list of different setting categories. From this left panel, click on Reset Settings. This section is specifically designed to help you restore Brave back to its original state, which is useful if you're experiencing issues or if you've made changes you want to undo. After clicking on Reset Settings, you'll see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Go ahead and click on this option. This action prepares Brave to revert all your customized settings back to how they were when you first installed the browser. It's a powerful tool for troubleshooting or starting fresh without having to reinstall the entire application. Once you click that, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This is Brave's way of making sure you really want to proceed with resetting everything, since this action will remove all your personalized configurations. In this confirmation window, you'll see a button labeled Reset Settings. Click on this button to confirm your decision and initiate the reset process. After you click Reset Settings, Brave will begin restoring all settings to their default values. This means any extensions you've disabled, custom search engines you've set, or privacy settings you've adjusted will all go back to their original state. The process usually takes just a moment, and once it's complete, your Brave browser will be reset to its factory defaults. And that's it. You've successfully reset the default settings on your Brave browser, bringing everything back to its original configuration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.